What if your entire backup power solution could fit in the palm of your hand? Light enough to toss in a backpack, yet strong enough to charge a laptop, run lights for hours, and even act as a mini home UPS. Meet the Bluetti Elite 10 Mini, the tiny power station making a big entrance in Europe. It weighs just 1.76 kilograms, costs less than a premium power bank for now, and promises industrial-grade reliability with a 3,000-cycle LiFePO battery. Let's unpack how this compact cube is quietly rewriting what a mini power station can be. First, the size. Measuring 200 by 146 by 110 millimeters, the Elite 10 Mini is barely larger than a lunchbox. This makes it perfect for campers, digital nomads, students, or anyone who wants a reliable backup without lugging around a brick. A built-in LED light adds convenience, ambient glow for tents, or an SOS signal for emergencies. But here's where things get impressive. Bluetti squeezed 6 versatile outputs into this compact frame. A 200-watt AC outlet with 300 watts of surge and 400 watts of lifting power, one 100-watt USB-C port for fast laptop charging, a 15-watt USB-C for lighter devices, 2 USB-A ports, each at 15 watts, and a 60-watt DC 5521 output. That 128 watt-hour battery, it can keep a 5-watt LED light on for over 15 hours, recharge a 60 watt-hour laptop twice, or juice up your phone 6 full times. Compact doesn't mean weak, not here. Recharging is just as flexible. The Bluetti Elite 10 Mini gives you 4 ways to top up. 150-watt AC wall charging for a full charge in about 70 minutes, solar input for off-grid setups, car charging during road trips, or a dual AC and solar combo when speed matters most. And yes, pass-through charging is supported, so you can power devices while the unit recharges. The station doubles as a mini UPS, switching in under 10 milliseconds to protect sensitive electronics during outages. Bluetooth connectivity lets you monitor and control the device remotely through the Bluetti app. Battery levels, inputs, outputs, all right at your fingertips. Right now, Bluetti is launching the Elite 10 Mini with sizable discounts. In the UK, it's available for £129, down from £199. Across the EU, including France and Germany, it's priced at €159, a €70 cut from the usual €229. How long these deals will last? Bluetti hasn't said, so early buyers benefit most. Pocket-sized, powerful, and purpose-built for everyday reliability, the Bluetti Elite 10 Mini shows that backup power doesn't have to be bulky or expensive. If you're looking for a compact power station with serious capability, this little cube might just surprise you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay powered up.